4:24 and we are in our tent. It's so dark, you can see nothing. Guess who is here too? And you can see, I don't know if you can see, my baby. I sent her to the farm a few days before we came and I missed her so much. No, mama. I guess this is the beginning of the vlog. I don't know, man. It's 4 a.m. guys. Like, we arrived at 3:03. I think it was 3:25. That's when we arrived, and you know, I couldn't take out the camera and record it immediately, so we had to settle down, bring everything together, say hi to the dogs. There are a lot of dogs here. I'll introduce each and every one of them tomorrow. So yeah, I hope, I don't know, I want to make like maybe 3 vlogs or something. I think we're here for like a week. So yeah, my stress reliever is here. Like, this dog does so much for me. Yo, mama sene. I know people say I must have a child and leave the dog alone, but you all should leave me alone. Just leave me alone with this baby questions and baby telling me to have a baby. Stop it. Stop it. So yeah, guys. See you tomorrow morning, I guess. I don't even know. Tomorrow morning is today, later on in the morning. Our tent. Look at my baby. Sasha. Mama Tini. I don't even know why she's all of a sudden. No, she was just jumping around here, all excited. Come on. Happy girl. So we woke up to some beautiful weather. I'm going to see what we're going to eat. It's Butch, Sasha's boyfriend. This is Sasha's baby daddy to be. Okay, he already impregnated her, so many beautiful dogs here. Hey Butchie, you are late.
Morning vloggers.
Good morning.
Moro.
Come from the bed.
Moro.
Today is the 24th. Tomorrow is Christmas. We're out here. Sasha! There comes my baby. There comes my baby. Guys, I don't know why I'm vlogging like I don't know how to vlog. But I had so much fun yesterday. I didn't get a chance to really record. And you know, we're doing a lot of things. I hope you all can hear me, because I'm trying. But yeah, let's see how today goes. Tai. This is Tyrant. He's short but mighty. He's small but very mighty. Very, very mighty. And then the girl comes, the jealous girl that wants all of her mommy's attention. Hey, Papa, come, jump, jump. Yeah, boy, yes. I love dogs, guys. Like dogs and me. We jealous girl. Look at her. Look at her. Look at her. Look at this one. No, oh, he's so small. He wants to jump. He's coming up. He's all the way up. Yeah. Nah, I don't think you love them as much as I do. The jealous girl is here. The jealous girl is here, guys. Look at her, look at her, look at her. Like, this is my mommy, not yours. This is my mommy. Okay, mama. Vamos, we have to share. He's elder than you. He was here before you. No, she doesn't understand that. Okay. How many dogs have you guys met? I think 4 so far. You've met Kiara, you've met Butch, Sasha, and Tyron.
Why she do like that?
I think, how many do you need to meet again? 1 or 2? 1. 2. Big Z and Spiky. Okay, guys, I will check in later. Big Z. He's short for somebody that would be called Big Z. Come. Up. Yes, boy. And then this is the mother, Spiky, wakey. Look at them. I think you have met them all now. Big Z, Spiky in the back, Tyrant here, and then my big bully ran away. Big Zizi. I love all of them. I want to take all of them home, but I can't. See, there she is. There's terrorist. My terrorist. I don't know why I smile all the time. And we're singing. We are singing, guys. We are singing. So how have you guys felt about 2020, man? 2020 was, as much as it was bad, and I think I already said this, it was good. It was okay. Like, I love that this year has, I don't know how, what, I need good lighting. I look ridiculous, I know. I love that this year has showed us like the people that care about us and the people that don't care about us. Because like, as much as I'm very bad at communicating, I'm acknowledging that, and I need people to know that, because I'm really bad at communication. Like, it's very hard for me to just wake up one day and just text someone to find out how they're doing. But I do call like once in a while. And the thing is, now we are in this internet world, technology world, where we see each other's status every day and we comment on each other's status. I feel like that's enough, because like if you are posting a status, then you're okay, right? Because when I'm not feeling well, I post it on my status, like WhatsApp status, like I'm not feeling well. And I'm one person that really does not When I say I'm not feeling well or I'm in pain, then it's unbearable, because I don't like being vulnerable, so to say. Yeah. So yes, please. It's fun. There's just so much to do, and I haven't really gotten. I'm not getting a chance to. Look at this. The dogs are here. Hold on, I have to turn this around. When we start doing something fun, then I will definitely. I have to try and. Oh my god, the lighting is just bad. It's bad. I'm using the front camera now. We did this at home. The other hand is already. I don't know what it was. Look at this. They're already off. But the left hand is still there. So my mother-in-law used to do nails. Back then, like maybe she stopped a long time ago, more than 5-7 years ago, I don't know. But then her things are still there, so I decided, you know what, I'll buy gel and I'll buy whatever that it's needed, because I think the most expensive thing would have been the machine, you know, is it the cooking machine? I don't know how it's called. The nail machine, you know, where you put the nails to get cooked. That machine, and she has most of the things, so we just need to buy gel, because we bought this green gel. So after that, y'all will be seeing me with nails, because I'm gonna do it myself at home. I also have red press-ons, so I'm sure maybe I'll do that in New Year's. I'm at the farm right now, so everything is back home, and I am crusty and whatever. I'm not that, guys. It's not me, it's the sun. It's not me. I am very yellow. Okay. I gotta go do my baby's hair now. My baby's hair. I have to braid the kids. And I don't think I'll be able to record that, so.
Like it's really old. Moonlight, did you want?
Hello guys, I look crusty. It's okay. We don't gotta worry about how I look. I mean, I'm at the farm. So we just got at Paradise. If you remember from last year's December vlog, we were here as well. I'm really sorry guys. I'm busy. I get so busy and I'm having so much fun, and then I get distracted, and then the phone is somewhere else, because, like, you know, I don't need my phone here because the network is at a certain. Ay, corner man. I should just hide myself, yeah. So yeah, we're at Paradise and we already cooked actually. We're just about to finish up and then dish up the food, and then on sal yet. I'll see what I can record, if I will. But yeah, for now, let's do this. Love you guys.
Mommy, let's sing. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Oh!
Drink your wines, people, and mind the business that pays you.
Your motherfucking ass. God damn.